but no stamina. Then defense versus refused. Oh, nurse the pool. Fusion is I just changed the part in the bottom. Let's see. Get more weight and heavy. Now we turn health run into stamina one. And now we go. Talo pa rin, guys. It's still loose. Crown is stamina good. His stamina are super good. And I change his like this outer part there. I turn yellow in flash drive. Wait, now good. If it still break, I'm gonna throw it on the ground. Go, bro. Yay! Halloween. Yo, we're gonna be a draw. But I count it is still weak. She have just low stamina, bro. Wait. Whoa! Okay. Isa ma. Battle 2. Now we're gonna turn Fusion Hades first. Oh no! It broke, bro! Now I got a part of Fusion Hades. This is the cut. You gonna battle it. Got high speed but still loose.